Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have an unboxing to share with you. This is coming all the way from the Netherlands from Nicole Silhouettes. And this one had taken a little detour. It had gone to a previous address and it looks like it was opened. But let's get into it because where's my scissors? Get into it because I want to see all the goodies. And hopefully I don't show all the addresses. Hold on. Just cut it open. It had gone to my old address. And oh, how cute. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, here's her card with her information. Thank you. Your order made my day. Hope the goodies will brighten yours. And there's her social media on YouTube and on Instagram. And I know she has an Etsy, but it's not on that card. But here you go. Look at this beautiful box. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can adjust a little bit. Okay. So I ordered, I picked up some of her pins. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to take them out so that we can look at it. And this is her acrylic hanger stand. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I forgot what I was supposed to be getting. So here are the legs. Oh, and it has her, where is it? There you go. Designed by Nicole Silhouettes. Look at that. It's in the back of the acrylic. So these are the braces for the hanger stand. And then we'll see what's in that one in a minute. But here are her dies I had picked up. I picked up George and Georgina. Let's see. Yep, these are the Nutcracker dies that they're exclusively in her shop. And so there you go. I'm excited. Okay, let's get this to the side. I love her heart-shaped confetti. How cute, Nicole. Okay. What is in here? Oh, these are the hangers. These are the hangers for her. Yes, look at these cuties. They have a little tiny heart on them. Right in the hanger part. So you get several pieces of the hangers. And it has a protective coating on them. You just have to peel it off. Oops. So it just keeps it from scratching in the mail. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hangers to go with our stand. And you probably like, why do you have hangers for a miniature? What is the whole point, right? I have it because it's cute. And I wanted to buy it. So there's your answer. So I think, yeah, this one has the protective coating on it. Nicole, it got here. Oh my gosh, if I can only find our pokey tool here. Sorry, I'm off camera because I can't see from underneath the camera. There we go. So there's the protective coating. It's a plastic coating. It's just to keep it from getting scratched. But look at how pretty. Oh my God, I love it. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you, thank you. I'm just trying to get the back side off now. It's on there pretty secure. So here you go. It's the back side. It's so satisfying. Okay, let's get this one out. I'm going to put it together here on camera with you so we can see it all put together. Now, she did say it wiggles a little bit, but doesn't mean it's broken. You know, it's just a little loose, but it still works. So let me get this one off of here. You can see how shiny. It's so pretty, Nicole. Oh my gosh. I don't know how many she has in her shop, but it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Now that glare that you're seeing, you see that? It's just the light fractures. See through them. Look at it's just, you can see right through them. It's very pretty. Oh my gosh. So now this one also you have to peel. You got to peel the protective layer off of it also. So there goes that. It's just going to take these off. It'll take a minute. No, I'm not going to do it with the hangers. I'll do that off camera, but I just want to put the display hanger together. I think this one's already off. No, it's still there. Or is it? It's hard to tell. So hard to see. So I'm doing it off the camera because I can't see it. There you go. It's still there. And there. Oh, that one's peeled off. Look at how pretty. Okay, so that's the 2 braces for the bottom. And you'll see it in a minute. I like peeling that off. So crazy. All right, so all the plastic is off. Now, I want to make sure you could see it. Whoops, sorry, hit the camera. So it goes in here to this little slot right there. And then it goes down, and then you just match it up with the other side. It's a very simple, I say simple, but then I don't. There we go. That goes in, and then it just connects. Alrighty. Don't fall. I gotta make sure it's the right way. And she said, all you need is just a little dab of, super glue. If you don't like to disassemble it, all you really need is super glue, and it will keep it intact for you. And then, one of these guys is not like the other. So let's take this guy out. Let's see. It's almost the end of summer. Oh, this one is pretty tight. What's going on with you, dude? Does it still have the coat? I don't think it should make a difference, right? I don't think so. What is going on with you? Don't worry, I'll fast forward through this. Okay, so this one is just, it has an extra lip on it. That's okay. Easy fix. So I'm just going to cut a piece of it. If you guys have a saw, that would help too. Okay, hopefully that works. Nope, it's way too tight. Let me try this one. Nope, it just won't go. No, I did break it. Anyway, oh no. How did I do that? Oh, I'm so sad. I did that. I'm gonna have to crazy glue it anyway. Boy, oh boy, leave it to Eileen, eh? Oh, Nicole, I'm so sorry, my friend. I broke it. Oh, because I tried to be a brute and force it in, and I did force it, and now it's broken. I broke the leg, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. Super glue to the rescue. But even though it's still, this piece will still not go through. At least it was the leg and not the, yeah, see, it's too wide. Oh, I'm gonna have to fit it. See, this end fits, but this end doesn't. And we tried all of the holes, so the end on one side is too wide. I'm probably just going to super glue that right there into that hole, right where it's supposed to be. So that's what it's supposed to look like. And once you put the super glue on it, it won't be so wobbly. Oh, Nicole, I was so excited. I'm so sorry. But that's what it looks like. Once it's all glued up, it should stand. And then you put your hanger on there, and look at how pretty. It's still very usable. I'll just have to super glue that one end to the back. Oh my God, this is so cute. And for the hangers, I don't know if I showed you. On the hangers, they have the little holes here, and you can hang, put jump rings on here and hang a dangle, or you can hang your earrings. I'm gonna peel this off because I can see it coming up. And you could hang your jewelry on here. So just up to you what you want to do. But I'm going to use it for my craft room. And yeah, just peel that protective coat on the back also. Look at the hanger. It's so pretty. I love this, Nicole. Don't mind me. Please forgive me. I'm just I don't know how strong I am sometimes. I just broke my own stand, but that's okay. I will make it work because there's a thing called super glue. Or on my side, it's E6000. But isn't that cute, you guys? Oh my God. Nicole showed this on her channel and I was super excited because I love like miniatures and stuff like that. And this is so adorable. And I believe, I don't know, maybe no, it might be all sold out. I'm not sure. I will leave her link to her Etsy shop in the description box down below. in case you guys want to go check her out, because she does come up with some fabulous items and for her own personal shop, and she designs for other sellers too, so you guys could check her out. Make sure you give her a holler on the social medias too, so that she knows you see her shop and all that. So it's always fun to get messages, you know. Shoot her a hello. I'm just babbling now because I don't know, because I'm trying to think what to do next. But anyway, this is my Happy Mail I ordered from Nicole Silhouettes on her Etsy shop. Check it out. You won't be disappointed. I'm not disappointed. I'm disappointed in myself because I'm such a freaking beast. I just broke it. So I'm so sorry. So sorry, Nicole. That is my own doing. I broke that myself, and I will super glue that baby on. And oh, before I leave you, let me show you her new pin. Gosh, how long this? Oh boy. So this is her new pin in the shop. It's the antique sewing machine. It says made to create pretty things. And if you guys are collecting her pins, I think these are already in her shop. Like, they're not pre-order. This is her other, whoops, new edition. Ink it twice to make it nice. And then she has this pigment ink pin, and it says designed by Nicole Silhouette. And then you open this up and you can touch the glitter. It's so pretty. And you could see the glitter on the ink pad. So cute. And these are her backers right there. Aren't these cute? So I got to put my frame together and get that done. Boy, I think I'm missing. I swear I ordered doubles of these. I'm going to have to talk to Nicole, and hopefully she still has some, because I want a few more. Born to Craft, designed by Nicole Silhouettes. And it's the die cut machine. And this one doesn't move. Her other one, which she had problems with, is no longer available. She will not be remaking that. This is now just stationary. You have a little butterfly on the platform. The platform itself is glitter, the cutting mat, and then you got the body of the butterfly. And then across the bar, you got some hearts, and it says create on top, and you got some more hearts, and then the little handle on the side. How cute. Designed by Nicole Silhouette. This is gorgeous, Nicole. Oh my gosh. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And her dies, I don't know. I think she only has a few more of the Georgina, or yeah, Georgina. This is the ballerina nutcracker. I picked up a few, and then this one is George. This is the traditional nutcracker. So I can't wait to play with these. And what else? Yeah, that that is it. Thank you all for watching. Go check out Nicole, and I hope to see you all on the next crafty video. And I'll see you soon. Bye.